Hi everyone, Natasha here, and around my home today I am on the front porch. So welcome to my front porch if you're new here. If you've been following along, then you may have seen this space in a few of my videos, but today is Thursday and I haven't had a chance to film much because we are in summer mode. So I'm home with my daughter 3 days a week, and then 2 days a week I'm still going to my little part-time job here in the small town where I live. And we're just enjoying summer, and there just hasn't been as much time for getting filming done as I had hoped. So just wanted to jump on today and touch base with you. I'm going to insert a little picture here now so you can see my kitchen this morning. And that is part of where I guess I wanted to touch base and just kind of update you. So I don't know about you, but getting into summer on the one hand feels great, and it's nice to sort of be a little more low-key and relaxed, and we're enjoying time in the pool and things like that. But as a mom, I'm struggling with trying to keep up with those routines and, you know, how much to just sort of let things go and be more relaxed and enjoy my time with my daughter, and then how much to keep up with things. So I don't have all the answers and I don't have it worked out. I'm still working on it, but I did want to share, you know, I don't know, the past several days I've been sort of like, it's like you're trying to walk in mud, you know, I'm trying and I'm trying to keep up with things, but I feel like I'm not getting as much done as I want every day. But then at the same time, I feel guilty because I'm trying to spend more time with my daughter and not be so worried about getting things done all the time. So this morning I thought I'm gonna make sure that I get the kitchen all ready to go before she even wakes up. Made sure I got myself all ready to go, which that's one of my downfalls, is I wait too long and then I'm getting dressed with her and she wants to be first, so then I have to wait even longer. Anyway, so it's nice to feel like I'm already ready for the day. The kitchen is already cleaned up and ready. I have my lunch packed and ready to go for the day. I set out the information for the babysitter for today, so you could see on the countertop in the picture our FlyLady summer camp journal, Camp GonnaWannaFly, and that's been working out well. If nothing else, it's good for me because it just makes me sit down and think about some of the things that I want to made sure I've laid out or taken care of or thought about. And I don't know whether the babysitters are really using it all that much, but it's working for me and my daughter seems to like it. And the other thing it's done is made sure we're keeping up with her little chore chart, and she's been doing better about doing more of the things for herself. So she'll be 5 at the end of the month, and you know, we're getting ready for kindergarten in the fall, and we still have a lot of days where she wants my help with a lot of things. And you know, it is what it is, but I'm trying to encourage her positively to do more of the things by herself. And you might hear a car in a minute. I live on a busy street in our little town, so everyone's coming and going this morning. But yeah, so I feel a little bit better today. Maybe it's just because it's Thursday and we're almost to the weekend, but I feel like I've kind of gotten a handle on things. And sorry, I heard some jingling. There's a neighbor dog just running down the street too. So anyway, hashtag small town life, right? Okay, so let me know in the comments down below how you're doing, if you have children or if you're just in a phase of life where things change for you in the summer, and how that's going. On another note, I'm getting a haircut on Monday and I'm really excited. I've decided it's time to stop growing out my hair and just go back to a shorter haircut because I really feel better in that. So I'm looking forward to that as well. And I will try to get on here and film another video soon, but if not, then I will just see you when I see you. And I hope you're having a great summer and getting things off to a good start. And if you have any questions, let me know down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and you can also check me out on Instagram now. So I'm trying to post more of my shiny sink pictures on there and my Miracle Morning information. So that's another place you can find me and keep up with me. I have discovered Instagram's a lot easier than than YouTube when I have my daughter home, because I can just snap a picture, but getting a video done is a little bit more challenging. So anyway, thanks again. Have a great day. Enjoy the weekend, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.